Today we're gonna take a look on the authentic R.A.T Pro X3 Supreme Edition. If you didn't hear about the launch, that isn't too surprising because there wasn't much of an announcement or what, and it's quite a time ago that they actually announced it. 2017 is the marking here. I'm not sure if that is the real one, but as you can see, one piece of tape has come off because of the age, I guess, or because they didn't glue it properly. So let's see what we get. If you know Mad Catz, that's not the typical packaging of a mouse like that. Okay, so there's a, I'm not sure, there's a little scratch mark. Yeah, here is the new version. Ooh, okay, big chunk here. Yeah, here's the new edition, or the Supreme edition of this mouse. We have a protective film that's also not standard because normally the sensor is not connected from the company but in a separate package. You have to do it yourself. So that's the sensor. You can, on all Pro models, you can exchange that. I could pop in the laser one. These gliders are, like they saying, are ceramic, and I love those because they are gliding very well. Low friction indeed, that's the main feature. The cable seems very nice. I want to size compare it to my other one. Nope, it's the same. Mine is dirty, obviously, because I'm using it. Ooh. Yeah, I will switch that to my main PC. And as you had seen, oh, let's take that back. Just the main difference is the gold, and I guess the color here, that's different. Other than that, it seems to be, yeah, the buttons are different color. This one is different color. Down here is different color, but overall it's the same, I guess. Yeah, let's go to Supreme Edition, quick start guide. Oh, Supreme Edition stickers. Normally they are red. I have some of those somewhere. And here you get all the accessories you want. Right from the start, the PTFE low friction gliders are in here, and the ceramic ones are on here. I think that's a good change because they are better, but some prefer others. My mouse will be configured differently than it is here because my grip is different. That's the wider angle. Then optionally you have a hook. That's a pinky hook, so you can, or finger hook, whatever, so you can lift the mouse easier. But I will use the pinky rest, as you can see here, because I tend to drag my pinky on the table, and that's very annoying for me. So that's one reason I've got this mouse. If you want, you can change the palm rest to be more open, more not rubbery like that. All fine. Then the difference I'm seeing is this one is black, not silver. That's interesting. And it's also aluminium, and that's the obviously rubber one. Right, and I guess that's it to this mouse. Nothing special, nothing more than my old one besides the color. And yeah, if you want to buy one, they are still available despite the fact that they are out for quite a long time now. Also, they are just not that much more expensive. It's just between those two, it's $10. So if you want one, get one. The difference is the color and nothing more. That's it for this unboxing. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Bye.